Morning, morning, people. What should we talk about today? All right, guys. So every day, you got to make sure that you seize the day. You squeeze the best that you can out of that day. Very important because when you look back, you want to make sure you don't have any regrets. And sometimes things are given to you, but sometimes they're not. When you're an IMG, you have red flags, things are difficult. If you don't give it your all, you will not make it. And what I've noticed is a lot of people that don't match, when I speak to them, I don't get the sense that they did everything that they could. They tried, they didn't do everything that they could. So anyway, guys, the message for today is seize the day.